Hi, welcome once again to Weekly Physics with Sir Danny. Today I'm going to show you how to spot the difference between speed and velocity. And I'm going to show you how to solve motion problems with regards to speed and velocity. Given the problem is the displacement x, which is 11 kilometers long, the velocity is equal to 80 kilometers per hour, and we are tasked to find the time traveled in a certain problem. But the question is, what kind of motion is involved, and is it a scalar or is it velocity? We can consider this motion as a scalar motion, or just maybe it can be a velocity, but if we're assuming that the car is moving along a straight line, then it can be a velocity. So we're going to assume that this is a vector quantity. But we can also say that this is a scalar quantity. But the main point here is that how are we going to find the missing variable in this equation, or in this problem? In the speed equation, speed or velocity is equal to the ratio between distance x or displacement x all over time. But notice that we have displacement x and the velocity, but we are finding out the variable time. What we can do here, that is, we can equalize the equation so that t will be on the other side of the equation and v will be transferred to the other side. What we can do is we can multiply both sides by t. Why is that? Because if we multiply both sides by t will cancel, because t divided by t is equal to 1. 1 times x is equal to x. Hence, we can have x is equal to v times t, or t times v, that's the same. And we can transform this by dividing both sides by v. If we divide both sides with v, that's equal to 1, we can have the equation t is equal to x all over v. Then we can substitute the equation with the values. We can have here t is equal to displacement x, which is equal to 11 kilometers all over 80 kilometers per hour. If we're going to divide 11 by 80, that will give us the quotient of 0.1375, and the unit would be hours. So that's how you play with the speed equation and find the missing variable. To transform this value of 0.1375 hours in seconds, what we can do is we just convert it from hours to seconds. We know that every 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. And in every minute is equal to 60 seconds. So the hour here will cancel, that's equal to 1, and also with the minutes. If we multiply 0.135 by 60 and multiply it once again with 60, that will give us 495 seconds. That is the total time traveled by the car if the car is traveling uninterrupted in a straight highway, or moving in a straight line uninterrupted.